Cooking equipment works better and lasts longer when maintained properly. Follow these tips to help keep your Imperial equipment performing at its peak and with less downtime. Daily maintenance. Use a wire brush to clean off any debris. Lift off all the open grates. Lift off the burner heads and venturies by raising the head slightly, sliding to the rear of the range and lifting upwards. Wash all items in hot, soapy water. Reassembly is the reverse of disassembly. All stainless steel body parts should be wiped regularly with hot soapy water during the day and with a liquid cleaner designed for this material at the end of each day. If it is necessary to scrape stainless steel to remove encrusted materials, soak in hot water to loosen the material, then use a wood or nylon scraper. Do not use a metal knife, spatula, or any other metal tool to scrape stainless steel. Scratches are almost impossible to remove. Do not use steel wool, abrasive cloths, cleansers, or powders to clean stainless surface.